Grace LaToya Hamilton, better known by her stage name Spice, continues to shine as the queen of dancehall in 2025. With a powerful presence in the music industry that spans more than 2 decades, Spice has built an empire that goes far beyond her electrifying performances. Born in Jamaica, her journey to stardom has been fueled by unmatched determination, bold style, and a fearless attitude that resonates with fans across the globe. Spice is a devoted mother of 2 children, a son born in 2007 and a daughter born in 2011. Despite her busy career, she has always prioritized her role as a mother. She often shares sweet and candid moments with her kids on social media, showing just how important family is to her. Her ability to juggle motherhood and superstardom speaks volumes about her strength and dedication. As of 2025, Spice boasts an estimated net worth of around $5 million. Her wealth is a reflection not only of her successful music career but also of her ventures into fashion, beauty, and business. She launched her clothing line, Gracchi Noir, in 2020, which quickly gained popularity for its bold and edgy styles that mirror her personality. Additionally, her online beauty brand, Faces and Laces, initially focused on wigs but has expanded to include cosmetics, catering to fans who admire her signature looks. She also owns 8 Ball, a lively sports bar and lounge in Portmore, Jamaica, giving locals and tourists a place to enjoy good food and entertainment. Spice's lifestyle is vibrant, luxurious, and rooted in her Jamaican heritage. While she enjoys the finer things in life, including designer outfits, high-end accessories, and a love for fast cars, she also remains deeply connected to her community. Her garage features a sleek range of luxury vehicles, including a Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon and a Range Rover, often seen in her social media posts and music videos. Beyond fame and fortune, Spice has shown a deep commitment to philanthropy. Through her Grace Hamilton Women Empowerment Foundation, GHWEF, she supports women through educational and entrepreneurial initiatives. In 2019, her foundation hosted a back-to-school giveaway that benefited over 500 children in Kingston, and she has also sponsored scholarships through social media campaigns, covering full tuition and supplies for underprivileged students. Musically, Spice continues to dominate the dancehall scene. Her debut album 10, released in 2021, earned her a Grammy nomination and widespread critical acclaim. She followed up with Emancipated in 2022 and released Mirror 25 in 2024, an album that includes collaborations with artists like Ky-Mani Marley and Busta Rhymes. Her consistency and innovation keep her at the top of her game, appealing to both longtime fans and new listeners. In addition to her music, Spice has become a reality TV staple as a main cast member on Love and Hip Hop, Atlanta. Her appearance on the show helped her gain even more visibility in the U.S. market and allowed viewers to see another side of her, one that is raw, emotional, and deeply human. In 2023, she faced a major health scare following surgery in the Dominican Republic. After undergoing multiple surgeries and a near-death experience, she made a dramatic recovery and returned to performing with a powerful comeback at the Start D Fun Music Festival in the Cayman Islands. This resilience only added to her legendary status. Spice's personal life includes a past engagement to Nicholas Lawal, the father of her 2 children. Although they are no longer together, they co-parent their children with respect and mutual dedication. Now in 2025, Spice is not just an artist but a brand, a businesswoman, a mother, and a cultural icon who continues to redefine what it means to be a powerful woman in the entertainment world.